Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to clean chicken. Okay. Now, when it comes to chicken, I don't really like eating chicken. If you have to put between the percentage, it'll be like 80, 20% of the time I like eating chicken. Other rest, I'd rather eat red meat. But it's because I hate E. coli. I just don't want to get sick from it. Sometimes chicken make me sick. I don't like the smell of it, blah, blah, blah. But that's not what this video is about. I just want to let you... And that's why you rarely see me make chicken videos. But I'm going to show you a secret how my mother... Actually, no. My grandmother washes her chicken. Okay? And this is what she does. She makes... when she washed the chicken breast, legs, or whatever, okay? Now, some people actually use vinegar to do it. But I find that using vinegar burns the chicken. What I mean by that is that if you put vinegar in chicken, you see this white thing around it, which is kind of like, I don't know. So, my grandmother's always wash it with chicken with baking soda and salt, and it has been very successful for her throughout all these years, and it's the quickest and easiest way to clean chicken, especially when you buy from the supermarket and you don't know how they handle it or whatever. I'll show you a simple way that she does it. Okay, she would use 1 teaspoon, this is a teaspoon, of baking soda. You can do half, okay? But in my case, I want to do 1 because I'm actually doing this for, I'm doing this for another, I have to wash another batch. So I'm doing 2 batches. So basically, a half a teaspoon for each batch and then mix it together. Now, here's the thing. There's actually, I've seen salt that actually have baking soda in it, okay? So you don't really have to mix it with this, to be honest. You can just buy that salt. There are salt that comes with baking soda. So you don't have to. But if you don't have it, okay? If you don't have salt that have baking soda in like I do, I don't use any of those. I just do my own stuff. As you can see, most of my videos is just DIY stuff. So, all you have to do is mix it together. Ooh, I'm on camera. That's it. Now, put about a teaspoon of that. So, it will come to like 2. That's why I said I have to make 2 portions. Put it in there. Okay. And I am going to take this away. And then you just put your water in it and wash it. Okay? Just like you normally would. Cold water, okay? Just cold water. Twice the amount of chicken. And just wash around with it. Okay? And just drain it out. And it's easy as that. Drain it out. And then rinse it. Okay? And that's how my grandmother, I don't know why I used the other one. I don't even want to get into that one, but anyway. That's how my grandmother does it. And she would rinse this 3 times. She always rinse these things 3 times just to make sure. And that's it. That's my 3rd. And that's my final. And remember, it's cold water, okay? Hot water would turn them into The bacteria, if there's any left, it'll turn them back into the process again. This bacteria likes worms, so it can multiply. That's how bacteria works. In case you're wondering. And that's it. And that's how you wash chicken. Okay? I'm gonna do one more, but you don't have to see me doing that. And look at my hand. Nice. Doesn't feel that slimy or anything like that. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope you enjoy that. And I hope you enjoy that tip from my grandmother. She actually told me to make this video long ago. But now I had a little time on that. To make it. But that's how she does it. And the chicken comes out clean all the time. And like I stated, you don't have to mix together. Get the one that is mixed together. But because I want them to do 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon, I usually do it just from this, just iodized salt and just baking soda on its own. And then just wash the chicken. And make sure, like I stated before I go, wash it about 3 times and wash it thoroughly so you can get the salt out and you can get the baking soda out, okay? Nothing bad with a little salt or baking soda. I just want to, for some people who don't like salt, But for people who do, you can rinse whatever. But as I stated, she always rinsed it 3 times. So just rinse it with regular water 3 times. Other than that, that's about it on this video. And I hope you would take this tip next time when you wash a chicken, because it comes out really nice and clean. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Okay?